Are you frustrated with your weight loss journey? In this video on 8 shocking reasons you're not losing weight and how to fix them, join us as we dive into common struggles that may be hindering your progress. It's crucial to address these obstacles to achieve your desired results. Get ready to uncover actionable tips that will help you overcome these challenges and finally reach your weight loss goals. Let's make this journey relatable and practical together. Reason 1. Unbalanced diet. An unbalanced diet can wreak havoc on your weight loss journey by slowing down your metabolism and leaving you feeling drained. To combat this, focus on creating a balanced and sustainable meal plan that includes a variety of nutrients to support your body's needs. Opt for whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to fuel your weight loss efforts. By making healthier food choices, you can boost your metabolism and energy levels, making it easier to shed those extra pounds. Reason 2. Lack of physical activity. Insufficient physical activity can impede weight loss progress and overall health. Regular exercise not only helps in managing weight, but also boosts metabolism and enhances overall well-being. Incorporate simple exercises like brisk walking, bodyweight workouts, or yoga into your routine to get moving. Finding enjoyable ways to stay active, whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport, can make exercise feel less like a chore and more like a fun activity. Prioritize physical activity to support your weight loss goals. Reason 3. Poor sleep habits. Poor sleep habits can sabotage your weight loss efforts by disrupting your metabolism and hormone balance. Quality sleep is crucial for regulating appetite and energy levels. Improve your sleep hygiene by creating a relaxing bedtime routine, avoiding screens before bed, and ensuring a comfortable sleep environment. Adequate rest not only supports weight management, but also enhances overall health and well-being. Prioritize getting a good night's sleep to optimize your weight loss journey and feel your best. Reason 4. Stress and emotional eating. Stress can lead to emotional eating, derailing your weight loss goals. When overwhelmed, many turn to food for comfort, resulting in weight gain. Manage stress by practicing mindfulness, deep breathing, or engaging in physical activity to alleviate tension without resorting to food. Find alternative ways to cope with emotions, such as journaling, talking to a friend, or pursuing a hobby. By addressing stress and emotional triggers, you can break the cycle of emotional eating and support your weight loss journey effectively. Reason 5. Inconsistent meal timing. Inconsistent meal timing can disrupt your metabolism and hinder weight loss progress. Regular meal times are essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism and supporting weight management. Establish a consistent eating schedule by planning balanced meals and snacks throughout the day. Aim to eat at regular intervals to keep your metabolism active and prevent overeating. By prioritizing timely and balanced meals, you can optimize your metabolism and enhance your weight loss efforts effectively. Reason 6. Hidden calories in beverages. Hidden calories in beverages can sabotage your weight loss efforts without you even realizing it. Sugary drinks and alcohol are common culprits that can add up quickly. Educate yourself on the calorie content of these beverages and opt for low-calorie or zero-calorie alternatives like water, herbal tea, or sparkling water. Mindful consumption of beverages is key to managing your calorie intake and supporting your weight loss goals. Make smarter choices when it comes to what you drink to stay on track with your weight loss journey. Reason 7. Medical conditions and medications. Underlying medical conditions and medications can significantly impact weight loss efforts by affecting metabolism and overall health. Certain health conditions or medications may lead to weight gain or make it challenging to lose weight. It's crucial to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and support tailored to your specific situation. While managing weight with medical conditions can be complex, incorporating healthy eating habits and regular physical activity can still play a vital role in supporting your overall well-being. Reason 8. Lack of accountability and support. Having accountability and support is crucial for successful weight loss journeys. Accountability partners or support groups can provide motivation, encouragement, and guidance throughout your journey. Create a support system by sharing your goals with friends, family, or joining online communities that align with your weight loss goals. Seek out resources and communities that offer valuable insights and encouragement to keep you on track. By surrounding yourself with a supportive network, you can stay motivated and committed to achieving your weight loss goals. We've explored the common reasons for not losing weight and provided actionable solutions to overcome these obstacles. From addressing an unbalanced diet and lack of physical activity to poor sleep habits and stress-related emotional eating, each factor plays a significant role in weight loss struggles. By implementing the tips shared in this video, such as creating a balanced meal plan, incorporating regular exercise, improving sleep hygiene, managing stress, and seeking support, you can make positive changes in your weight loss journey. Subscribe, like, and share for more valuable content on Bestie Health to support your wellness goals.